Freehand sectioning of a die-cut stem. Today we are going to make a temporary mount of the stem TS. Firstly, hold the specimen in your left hand between the thumb and the first finger. That's the thumb and that's the first finger. With only a few mm of the specimen projecting above the finger. Hold the blade in with your right hand, resting it flat on the fingernail. Resting it flat on the fingernail of the thumb of your left hand. Then, cut sections by drawing the blade above your finger through the specimen. Use the whole length of the blade in one continuous motion. Cut quickly. Regulate the position of the blade with your first finger of your left hand. You can regulate the position by these two fingers, by the motion of these two fingers. After several sections accumulate on the blade, transfer them to a petri dish of water. Re-wet the blade and the specimen. Continue cutting as needed. There are several things you have to bear in mind. Firstly, keep the blade and the specimen constantly wet. Secondly, keep fingers out of the way of the blade. That's in your way. That's in your way and you will cut your finger. That's out of the way of the blade so that you won't cut your fingers. Thirdly, cut should be made at right angle to the axis of the specimen. Cut perpendicular to the axis of the specimen. If your cut begins to slant, trim the specimen back to the right angle. If it's slant, trim it to right angle and start the sectioning again. Cut more sections than you think you will need.